Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to password protect Mozilla Firefox browser. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Since I'm experiencing issues with Mozilla Firefox on a PC, let's try setting this up on an Android mobile phone instead. Make sure you have both the AppLock Pro app and the Firefox app installed on your device. So firstly, open AppLock Pro. This time, you launch it. You'll need to set up a passcode. Tap on the drop-down menu to choose from 4 available passcode methods. Choose your preferred method. Tap on it, and then click OK. Next, create a PIN. Confirm it by entering it again, and then tap Set the permissions according to your preference by tapping Permit, then OK. Make sure to toggle on AppLock Pro and allow the necessary permissions. Then, in the AppLock interface, under the Unlocked section, find the Firefox app and tap on it. It will automatically move to the locked section. Now, whenever you open the Firefox app, it will require the PIN you set up. And that's how to password protect the Mozilla Firefox browser on your mobile phone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.